Hello everyone, welcome, namaste to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you in your yoga practice, to help you become more centered, more peaceful and more calm. And let's begin our practice. For that we will go back on our mats. Okay everyone, if you feel ready, you can start coming up. I'm giving you a minute's break to have a sip of water of course and also to get your space ready. So in case you've not already arranged yourself close to a wall, now is the time. Just shift your mat next to a wall, something like this. The same setup that I have, a wall and a mat. If you could also arrange something like that, would be great. Okay. If you don't have an empty wall close by, कुछ भी plain surface चलेगा. So even if it's a cupboard or even if it's a window panel or anything, wherever it's plain and stable and sturdy enough, that will work. Okay, so quickly take your time, do that. And we will shortly begin our practice. You can start standing up with me. That's the wall. Let's just touch the wall and make friends with the wall. Let's just say, hi best friend, because the wall will help you a lot in your yoga practice. This is the first class that we are practicing everything on the wall, but with more classes with Times Health Plus, we will explore how many ways you can play around with the wall, how the wall can help you to make the posture easy or hard, or how it will assist you in a million ways. So from today, let's make friends with the floor and with the wall both. Okay, let's start our practice. The first pose that I want to teach you today with the help of the wall is nothing but a downward facing dog, Adho Mukho Svanasana. So you know how we make an inverted V shape on the floor? We'll try to do something similar. इसके लिए अपने हाथों को इस तरीके से वॉल पर प्लेस कर देंगे वेस्ट लेवल पर. ओके, shoulder width, hands will be shoulder width. You'll walk your feet away and you'll try to make this nice L shape with the body. So if you observe, I'm making this nice L shape with my body. I'm constantly pushing the floor away. Keep watching me. एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए. Keep pushing the wall away somewhere here. If the back of the leg feels too tight, आप अपनी knees bend कर सकते हैं. No problem. And from there, I just want you all to release the chest and the neck down. Keep watching. Notice how my shoulder and my chest is opening completely here. Okay? And you come back. We'll try to hold this for 10 counts. Let's practice with me everyone together. Keeping the hands waist level. Push the wall away. Walk the feet away. Make this nice L shape with the body. Feel free to bend your legs. No problem. One deep inhale. And exhale. Release. Release the chest down. Let your armpits completely go towards the floor. Open. Push the hip back. Push the legs back as you gently allow your chest to sink towards the floor. Advanced practitioners, you can increase the stretch and you can also push the knees back. This will also give you a deep stretch in your hamstrings. Okay, try doing this. Hold everyone, deep breaths. And slowly coming up. Amazing, good job. If you feel a tingling sensation in the shoulders, it's absolutely okay. It's only happening because it was a deep stretch and the body is not familiar. Once it gets familiar, all of these tingling sensations will go away. Okay, relax. This was your modified downward dog. I hope this made you feel a little better and open. We have one more posture to open up the chest and shoulders. This one is your modified puppy. Okay, for which again watch me first. You will try to stay close to the wall, approximately 1 foot away. Okay, 12 inches or even closer if you want to. आप अपने हाथों को इस तरीके से shoulder width wall पे place करेंगे और हाथों को fully slide कर देंगे ऊपर. So you will fully stretch the arms up, palms touching the wall. Now, slowly you will try to do two things. Chest towards the wall, hip away from the wall. Okay, so opposition. Watch me, this. So notice how I push my hip away, chest towards the wall. Advanced practitioners, you can do the same movement by staying further away, let's say 2 feet or even more. This will increase the stretch. So you can do something like this. One thing to avoid here, everyone, is to not let the hip go forward like that. So don't do this, otherwise the stretch is gone and it will strain your lower back, which we don't want. So make sure the hip stays above the foot and the chest goes forward, the hip goes backward, and you stay here. You touch your chin to the wall. Everyone, let's try it for 10 counts. We stay close to the wall, feet hip distance, hands on the wall, slide them up. Breathe in. Breathe out. You push the hip back, chest towards the wall. You look up, you hold. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगता है, you can walk close to the wall. अगर आपको ये आसान लगता है, you can walk away from the wall. You can play around with the difficulty level of the pose. You can see what suits you, okay? Stay there. Stay for 5. Touch your chin on the wall. Look up. 4. Keep breathing. Close your eyes. 3. You're doing amazing. 2. Last time. And 1. Everyone, come out of the pose. Good job. Breathe. Notice how this felt. This was an easier variation of a puppy. Okay, a puppy pose otherwise is a little challenging जब आप उसे mat पे करते हैं. So this one is a better variation to do on the wall, especially if you feel you have tight shoulders and tight chest. Especially people who have bad posture, if you feel your neck is stooping, your shoulders are dropped forward, these two postures will help you a lot. Alright? Join Times Health Plus Instagram community, follow us on YouTube so you're not missing out on all the reels that we are posting for you, on all the wellness tips we are posting for you. So that way you can also practice apart from the classes. You're practicing yoga throughout, in and out. I will now sign off. This is me, Apurva. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep your spine up, keep a smile on your face, and stay grateful always. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.